Artificial intelligence is transforming the modern industrial world. In this video, we explore how artificial intelligence is revolutionizing manufacturing, automation, productivity, and innovation across different sectors. From smart factories and predictive maintenance, to robotics and data-driven decision-making. Artificial intelligence is helping companies improve efficiency, reduce costs, and enhance product quality. However, the rapid adoption of artificial intelligence also brings challenges, such as workforce adaptation, ethical considerations, and technological integration. This video highlights the positive impact of AI in industry, the opportunities it creates for businesses, and the challenges organizations must address as they move toward a more intelligent and automated future. The use of artificial intelligence in industry has come to represent a significant advancement, with notable positive impacts on operational efficiency, quality, and innovation, albeit accompanied by certain challenges. From this perspective, we can explore some of the effects and the importance of employing artificial intelligence in industry. The implications of artificial intelligence in industry. Enhancing operational efficiency, artificial intelligence optimizes production processes by automating repetitive tasks, reducing downtime and improving resource allocation, leading to increased productivity and cost savings. Improving product quality, through advanced data analysis and machine learning. Artificial intelligence enables real-time monitoring and quality control, ensuring higher precision and consistency in manufacturing. Also using simulation and data-driven analysis to enhance product design. Driving innovation, artificial intelligence fosters the development of new products and services by analyzing market trends, predicting consumer needs, and accelerating research and development cycles. Predictive maintenance, artificial intelligence-powered systems can predict equipment failures before they occur, minimizing disruptions and extending the lifespan of machinery. Supply chain optimization, artificial intelligence enhances supply chain management by forecasting demand, optimizing inventory levels, and improving logistics, resulting in faster and more efficient operations. Workforce empowerment, by automating mundane tasks, artificial intelligence allows workers to focus on more complex and creative aspects of their roles, fostering skill development and job satisfaction. Automation of process, using robots and artificial intelligence systems to automate tasks reduces time and costs. Enabling innovation in production, artificial intelligence allows organizations to tailor production to meet individual customer needs, customized manufacturing. Enhance workforce safety, robots can perform dangerous tasks instead of humans, reducing the exposure of workforce to accidents. Also, artificial intelligence systems can assess potential risks and take proactive measures to prevent or manage them with minimal losses by providing a profound risk management system. Reducing costs and increasing productivity, artificial intelligence improving the management of natural resources and reducing waste by applying resource optimization. And automated systems can operate continuously without breaks, boosting productivity. Challenges and potential negative impacts. Despite these benefits, challenges such as high implementation costs, data privacy concerns, and the need for workforce reskilling must be addressed to fully harness the potential of artificial intelligence in the industrial sector. Nonetheless, the integration of artificial intelligence represents a transformative step toward smarter, more efficient, and innovative industrial practices. High initial costs. The adoption and development of artificial intelligence technologies can be prohibitively expensive, particularly for small and medium-sized enterprises. Furthermore, integrating intelligent systems with outdated infrastructure poses significant implementation challenges, falling under the umbrella of technological hurdles. Exposure to cybersecurity threats. Increased digitization introduces new security risks, such as breaches and hacking. While artificial intelligence can manage data efficiently and securely, concerns about privacy and information security remain critical. Loss of traditional jobs and impact on employment. The automation of tasks reduces the need for human labor, potentially leading to the displacement of traditional jobs. Additionally, there are challenges in workforce reskilling, as employees require training to adapt to modern technologies. Bias in artificial intelligence algorithms. Intelligent systems may exhibit biases based on the data they are trained on, potentially leading to inaccurate or unfair decisions. The importance of artificial intelligence in the industrial sector. Organizations that adopt artificial intelligence become more competitive in global markets. Artificial intelligence enables these entities to offer innovative solutions, improve products and services, reduce waste, and enhance resource efficiency, supporting sustainable development. Artificial intelligence contributes to economic growth by increasing productivity and reducing costs. It also helps develop advanced and intelligent production systems, paving the way for future industries and infrastructure projects. In conclusion, as artificial intelligence evolves, industries will become smarter and more data-driven. To maximize the benefits, countries need to develop policies that support innovation, enhance technical education, and ensure a balance between technological progress and job protection. The use of artificial intelligence in industry is not just a tool for improving production. It is a foundation for transforming the economy and developing new capabilities that drive societal progress.